Another day, another party snack idea. These popcorn chicken bites are seriously addictive. Cut the chicken into small, bite-sized cubes. For the buttermilk marinade, add milk, lemon juice, your favorite spices, and 1 egg. Mix well, then add the chicken and coat every piece nicely. Now prepare your seasoned flour by adding flour, cornstarch, and teaspoon of baking powder. Add spices. Transfer the chicken bites into a box with the flour, close it, and give it a good shake until every piece is evenly coated. Then fry them until golden, crispy, and perfectly cooked. And there you have it. Crispy, juicy popcorn chicken bites that are perfect for any party.